Hey everyone, and welcome back. Want to automate your customer support and save your team hours every week? Let me show you how in Zendesk. First, start with triggers. Go to Admin Center, then Objects and Rules. Click Triggers. Create one to automatically assign new tickets to the right agent based on keywords or ticket form. Next, use automations. These are time-based. Set one to close tickets that have been solved for more than 72 hours, keeping your queue clean. Now, add macros. These are one-click replies for common questions. Your agents save typing time and stay consistent. For 2026, enable AI agents. In Admin Center, go to AI. Create an AI agent to handle simple questions instantly, like password resets or order status. Finally, use AnswerBot. It automatically suggests help center articles before a ticket reaches your team. And that's it. With triggers, automations, macros, and AI, you can handle routine support automatically and let your agents focus on complex issues. If you automate your support, let me know what worked best in the comments. See you in the next one.